my shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. Fresh and green are the pastures where He gives me repose. Nearest full waters He leads me to revive my drooping spirits. The Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. Yes, the Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. He guides me along what He knows to be right. If I walk in the darkness, no evil would I fear. I know that He will be there with His crook and with His staff. The Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. Yes, the Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. The Lord has prepared such a banquet for me. Surely goodness and kindness shall follow after me. In the Lord's own house shall I dwell all the days of my life. The Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. Yes, the Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. There is nothing I shall want. There is nothing I shall want.
Open your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
A very good morning, everyone. I, Cheshta Arora of class 12th A, am here to update you all with the latest happenings around the world. First, national news. COVID-19 vaccine registration for those above 18 to begin at 4 p.m. today. Shortage of vaccine is causing disruptions in the inoculation drive against coronavirus. The center maintains that the problem was not as much as that of supply, but of planning and transportation. Justice N.V. Ramana sworn as the 48th Chief Justice of India. International news. Singapore deploys aircraft to rush oxygen cylinders to India. Sri Lanka's cabinet on Tuesday approved a proposed ban on wearing full-face veils, including Muslim burqas, in public, citing national security grounds. After a belated recognition of the COVID-19 tsunami striking India through a second wave, US is pulling all stops to rush aid of every kind, including oxygen cylinders, ventilators, and vaccines. Sports news. Former Australian pacer Brett Lee on Tuesday decided to donate 1 Bitcoin, which is approximately 40 lakhs, to help India in fight against coronavirus. Hundreds of Japanese towns and cities have been forced to rethink to host Olympic teams because the coronavirus will prevent public appearances and will require costly safety measures. Real Madrid captain Sergio Ramos tests positive for coronavirus. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, Sacred Heart. Intellectual development without the development of character will defeat the very ends of education. These were the words of Venerable Mother Seraphina. And a virtuous institution guides the way to develop moral character. Thank you and have a magnificently superb May ahead.
Good morning, everyone. It's a great day as we celebrate the foundation day of our congregation. I take this opportunity to congratulate each one of you. Have a blessed day.
A very pleasant morning to all. Mother Serafina has left behind her philosophy of education, which continues to guide us. Born to Nerissa on October 7, 1853, at Tossignano in Italy, she joined the religious congregation of Franciscan Tertiaries of St. Elizabeth at Forlì at the age of 20. Unforeseen events caused the transfer of St. Francis School from Forlì to Bertinoro and subsequent birth of new religious congregation, the Clarist Franciscan Missionaries of Most Blessed Sacrament, CFMSS. Founded by Mother Serafina and officially approved by Rome, came into being on 1st May 1898. To her, school is the place where each child has to be cared for, loved, understood, nurtured and guided in order to draw out their full potential. For her, the relation between teacher and student should be that of mother and child. According to her, the main duty of the educator is to study the character and capacity of each child and direct them to the path of truthfulness and goodness. A good teacher should be respectful towards superiors, modest with equals, courteous to the inferiors, kind, impartial and just to all. Thank you.
Our school, Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, was established in the year 1968. It is run by the Serafina Educational Society, Dehradun. The main aim of the society is the education of the youth, especially the poorer and the backward sections, and the abandoned children. Institution Day for any institution remarks the setting up of the institution, laying the foundation for that institution, and for an educational institution, it is also the start of the journey to imbibe the values that the institution upholds and to also spread the knowledge and the wisdom among the children that are being taught in that institution. The educational service aims at molding the students to be psychologically whole, to be mentally sound, to be intellectually competent, to be morally sound, to be spiritually responsible and imbued with deep values, moral values, and also concern for the less fortunate and ever open to further growth. The society endeavors to create an atmosphere in which God's love is recognized as a binding force among all the children coming from different states, coming from different cities, speaking different languages and having different cultures. The crest of our school upholds the noble objective of true education. The hands are the hands of Jesus and that of Saint Francis of Assisi, the founder of the Franciscan order. Deus mes et omnia diemo means my God and my all. This calls upon every student to accept the supremacy of God. CFMSS, Clarist Franciscan Missionaries of the Most Blessed Sacrament. This title is the order of the sisters who own Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School. Porto I Mystery means I carry the mysteries, the motto of the sisters of CFMSS. The cross is a symbol of victory over evil. It also symbolizes the oncoming of glory post-suffering. IHS means Jesus, the bread of life, given to men to sustain their life during his earthly pilgrimage. The leaves denote the joy and prosperity that follows a person who is God-oriented. Mother Serafina continues to guide us through ages to come. She believed in the Seraphinian way to God through education, which aims at orienting the pupils' faculties to help them attain the ultimate goal for which God created humanity. Our school follows that the relationship between teacher and students should emulate that of mother and children, where every child is cared for, loved, understood, and guided in order to extract their full potential. Teachers update the knowledge of the children, they study their capacity and character, and direct them onto the path of goodness. The CFMSS vision of education is completely value-based and follows and aims in reforming the person person with respect to their ultimate goal so that they contribute to the society, become better individuals, and exercise their responsibilities as adults. The foundation of our school lies in equal love and care for students spanning across diversity of culture and religion, and in shaping them to carve a niche for themselves in the outer world and to become better individuals.
आज 1 मई को हम विशेष रूप से हमारे सह कर्मचारियों के लिए भी धन्यवाद देते हैं प्रभु को, और वे सभी हमारे बधाई के पात्र हैं क्योंकि वे तन मन से अपनी सेवा हमारे विद्यालय के लिए अर्पित करते हैं। प्रभु उन सबको बहुतायत से आशीष दे और उन्हें और उनके परिवार वालों को अच्छा स्वास्थ्य प्रदान करे और अपने छत्र छाया में बनाए रखे।
दीदी भैया, आपको मजदूर दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। आपने जो स्कूल के लिए काम किया है, हमारे बगिए को जैसे महकाया है, उसका धन्यवाद हम आपको इस वीडियो के द्वारा करते हैं।
आओ इस मजदूर दिवस पर मिलकर ले यह फैसला, श्रमिकों की मदद कर बढ़ाएंगे उनका हौसला। मजदूर दिवस है आपकी मेहनत का त्योहार, सेक्रेड हार्ट के दीदी भैया हम सब की तरफ से आपको धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात हमारे प्यारे भैया और दीदी, आज मैं ग्रीशा पूरे स्कूल की तरफ से आप सभी को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय श्रमिक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। आज मैं और मेरे कुछ मित्र आप सभी के लिए कुछ पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करना चाहते हैं। आशा है आपको जरूर पसंद आएंगी। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय श्रमिक दिवस है आज, परिश्रमियों के लिए दिन है बहुत खास। मजदूर किसान ही समाज का सृजन करता, वह ही है पालनहार। हमें उनको देना चाहिए पूर्ण अधिकार और उचित सम्मान।
मेहनत करते हैं मजदूर, रहे अपने सपनों से दूर, थक जाते हैं काम करके, परिश्रम से नहीं है डरते। भारत माँ का सिर कर दिया ऊंचा, हर जगह समय से पहुँचा। किसी से तारीफ नहीं मांगते, पर तारीफ के काबिल होते हैं मजदूर। सुबह निकल जाते हैं घर से, रात को आ जाते हैं घर में। रोज कुछ ऐसा ही होता, पर कभी अपना दिल नहीं करते छोटा।
जो हर बाधा को कर देता है दूर, वह है मजदूर। अमीरी में अक्सर लोग अपना सुकून खो देते हैं, मजदूर खा के सूखी रोटी बड़े आराम से सोते हैं। मजदूर अपना काम करता ज़रूर है, इसलिए हम देशवासियों को उस पर गुरूर है। हाथों में लाठी है, मजबूत उसकी कद काठी है। तो आइए हम इन श्रमिकों का जश्न मनाएं जिन्होंने इस भूमि का निर्माण किया। मजदूर दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Good morning, dear teachers, students. Today is an auspicious day because 1st May is celebrated as the Institute Day, which marks the foundation of the Congregation of Clarist Franciscan Missionaries of the Most Blessed Sacrament. Venerable Mother Serafina was a great missionary and a great visionary. She founded this congregation in Italy in the year 1898. This year we mark the 123rd year of the foundation of CFMS's congregation. On this beautiful day, with gratitude, I offer you all my heartiest congratulations for being part of this great family. All of us together form this great family, and let us continue the legacy of our foundress for the years to come. Because her Seraphinian way to God through education continue to inspire us, guide us, and lead us always. May God bless all of us. Congratulations once again to all of you.
Good morning, Reverend Sister Aarti, Sister Lynette, worthy colleagues, and my dear students. As we all know, our school was established in 1968 and is run by the Serafina Educational Society. On the occasion of Institute Day, allow me to throw some light on the life of Mother Serafina, who the society is named after. Mother Serafina, or Francisca Farolfi, was born on October 7, 1853, at Tessignano in Italy. At the age of 20, with a certificate in teacher's training, she joined the religious congregation of the Franciscan Tertiaries of Saint Elizabeth at Forlì. On November 4, 1873, the young Francisca was appointed headmistress of St. Francis School, Forlì. On May 1, 1898, she established the Clarist Franciscan Missionaries of the Most Blessed Sacrament, CFMSS, which comprised of various branch houses in Italy and abroad. Serafina nurtured a dream of having numerous houses centered on a mother house that trained and provided personnel, administered the financial affairs of the convents, and animated moral and spiritual guidance of the members. Hence, the houses opened in 1898 and onwards, whether in Italy or abroad, were all affiliated to Bertinoro, the mother house. Mother Serafina's avowed aim was education of the girl child. Her education policy was geared to the integral formation of the pupils, with stress on character training, practical skills in fine arts, and household works. She always urged the teachers to be role models to the pupils through their comprehensive knowledge of the subject matter, effective teaching methods, and above all, by the example of their own upright character. Mother Serafina passed away after a prolonged illness on June 18, 1917, and became the instrument of peace and love to all after the example of Saint Francis and Saint Clare's. It is only in the darkest hours that we may discover the true strength of the brilliant light within ourselves that can never, ever be dimmed. Dear students, these are dark times indeed. We may be feeling concerned about the future or about the effect of the current situation on our development. However, we must strive to take on the challenge and adapt. And in times we shall realize how we can tackle any situation and yet keep on growing, learning as life goes on. Take up a hobby, work on your shortcomings, and keep striving. Be a true Heartian and let your light shine. Stay safe, stay healthy.